Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I can tell you everything you need to know in 5 minutes. I've been doing this for 50 years. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice and tax defense for how long? 40 years. I've been doing this for 50 years this August. Many of you have seen me on television and you've joined my YouTube station, so I'd appreciate a subscription, as most people have done. You can see my whole team of former IRS agents there. So today what I want to talk to you about is removing a federal tax lien either from your record or on a credit report. So number one, a federal tax lien should not be on your credit report, because the Fair Trade Reporting Act said that because IRS did not put the information they need, they should not be on your credit report. However, sometimes they slip through, and sometimes you will find them at the courthouse in your name. So how do you remove that federal tax lien? Let me tell you the different ways you can do that. As a former agent, I have filed thousands of liens. As a matter of fact, I changed my signature. It used to be Michael D. Sullivan. I just changed it to an S because I used to sign so many liens and levies. So the only way you're going to get rid of a federal tax lien is the statute of limitation has expired, which means you'll have to pull an IRS tax transcript up to find out if your 10 years is up. Now remember, your 10 years is from the date of the assessment, the day that your tax return was actually put on IRS's computer, plus another 10 years. However, things can extend that statute of limitations: an offer in compromise, bankruptcy, litigation, collection due process. Some of you may have not done any of that, so the 10 years is a good date. But if you need to go to irs.gov and pull up your tax transcripts to find out when your official date of assessment is. So the first reason you can get them removed is this statute of limitations has extended. The next way to do that is to pay that in full. If you do, IRS will remove, generally within 30 days, if you paid it with a cashier check, will remove that federal tax lien from your against your name. The third way to do it is if you bring the debt under $25,000, which if you do that and you make 3 payments, if IRS can go ahead and you can make 3 direct deposits to IRS, and your liabilities under $25,000, they will in fact then go ahead and remove the lien. Those are the only 3 ways you're going to get them removed. Remember, the big one, but if IRS accepts an offer in compromise. If IRS accepts your offer and you meet the terms, IRS will then go ahead and release the federal tax lien. So you got the offer in compromise, you can get your liability under $25,000, you can pay the liability off in full, and you can go ahead because the statute of limitations has expired. IRS does not like removing liens because it actually lets the public know you owe them, but it secures their right against you. By the way, the federal tax lien, many people don't know this, is against the name. It's not just against the house. So you can live in an apartment, and if IRS files a lien, they're going to file it with the address being your apartment. You may not own the apartment. So remember, a federal tax lien is against someone's name. If you want to go ahead and your lien is released and you want to get a hard copy, you'll have to go ahead and contact the Cincinnati Service Center. That is the lien release unit. There's a fax number. You can look that up online. You can go ahead and put lien release unit in Cincinnati. You can go ahead and e-fax them, or you can call them to get your lien actually physically released. If you have any questions, give me a call. Love a subscription. I give you the information you not in a subscription does me real good. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.